Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, a week after its highly anticipated release. We'll explore its battery life, durability, and any potential regrets you might have after the initial excitement. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 left us with mixed feelings, and while we hoped for a Galaxy Z Fold 5 Ultra with revolutionary features, the Z Fold 6 is what we have. Let's see how it measures up. Design and build quality. Samsung has taken a step forward with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, especially in terms of design and build quality. The premium feel of this device is evident, and its boxier shape enhances grip and ergonomics compared to its predecessors. While the new design might take some time to get used to, it's a notable improvement in the right direction. The weight is noticeable without a case, but it feels surprisingly lighter than its predecessor. The device features a more refined covered display with thinner bezels and an optimized hinge, which improves the one-handed usability significantly. Samsung's efforts to enhance the foldable screen experience are apparent, making the device more practical for everyday use. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its improved display. Although it's not wider than previous models, the reduced bezels and revamped hinge design make it feel more expansive. The peak brightness of 2600 nits and the thicker ultra-durable glass UDG add to the improved display experience. However, foldable displays still face durability challenges. Despite Samsung's claim of 200,000 folds and a 10-year lifespan, real-world usage might differ. The addition of a thicker UDG is a step in the right direction, but foldable screens remain more fragile compared to traditional smartphones. The camera system on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has seen some updates, but it still feels like a missed opportunity. While the hardware remains largely unchanged with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 10-megapixel telephoto lens, the addition of 4K 120 FPS recording is a positive step. However, the absence of a periscope lens means that zoom capabilities are limited to a maximum of 30x digital zoom. If high-end photography is your primary focus, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra remains the superior choice. Battery life is always a hot topic for foldable devices. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is equipped with a 4,400 mAh battery, which might seem modest, but benefits from efficiency improvements. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is an impressive foldable device that delivers significant advancements in design and performance. However, it's not without its flaws. The camera system could have been better, and durability remains a concern. If you're looking for a cutting-edge foldable experience, the Z Fold 6 is worth considering. That's it for today's deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.